Welcome to another Little Nest virtual house tour. Today we invite you to explore a beautifully designed 4-bedroom tropical house that seamlessly blends modern living with the beauty of nature. Our journey begins at the driveway, offering space for 2 cars, with room for a third if needed. A hidden path leads you to the captivating pool area, a great focal point that can be admired from the living room and the balconies of the upstairs bedrooms. Stepping through the main entrance, you'll find yourself in the open living room and kitchen area. Right next to the entry door, there's a stylish guest toilet, a small natural haven with a large indoor plant and a skylight above, ensuring both natural light and privacy. The living room is a welcoming space with ample seating and glass cladding on either side, allowing in an abundance of natural light. One side offers a view of the pool, while the other opens to a charming mini courtyard adorned with lush tropical plants. The kitchen and dining area provides plenty of space for family meals and gatherings. A door opens onto a small green courtyard, adding a touch of nature to your dining experience. Moving on to the first bedroom. It's a spacious ensuite room that could easily serve as the primary bedroom. A small veranda leads directly to the pool, and the full bathroom features a shower with a view of the green courtyard. Climbing the stairs, you'll be greeted by large glass windows, allowing an abundance of natural light to flood the space. The second bedroom on this floor mirrors the design and layout of the first, making it an ideal option for a primary bedroom as well. Continuing down the corridor, we arrive at the third bedroom. It offers a decent size and a balcony with a view of the yard and pool. This room can also be transformed into a home office, providing versatility. Right across from the third bedroom is the laundry room, featuring a skylight to maximize natural light and a window overlooking the mini courtyard. The unique pebble floor and stepping stones not only serve as a design feature, but also to cleverly conceal floor drainage. At the end of the laundry room, there's another full bathroom, providing convenience to the third bedroom. Finally, we arrive at the fourth bedroom, an ensuite room with a balcony overlooking the pool, just like the other bedrooms. The full private bathroom is illuminated by the light well, adding to the overall charm of this space. This house is 8.5 meters wide and 16 meters in length, sitting on a plot that is 15 meters wide and 25 meters in length. If you loved this house concept and are interested in exploring the full details of this design, please visit us at light.Our, where you can find the detailed floor layouts. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more modern small house designs. And hey, here is another video you might enjoy.